Hi everyone. Well, we were working on our project and Austin showed up today, and he's been a great help as far as getting the plants laid out. He came up with a system of laying out, again, based on the capability of the team that's here. And I have to say it's the first time I haven't had to haul flats to lay out a project for Pete since I've been working with him. It's not that I don't like it, it's just that it's sure a relief to have other people, valued people doing it. So Austin, tell them how you came up with this system.
Yeah, so every time you show up to a project, you have different amount of help and capabilities and people understanding different types of plants. And so since Pete's palette is unusual in the trade here, we have a lot of specialized people like Anna Maria and I and Stuart that know the plants very well. And so today we showed up and we had 10 crew members from Landworks, and so we had them team up and go and take a picture with their phone of the areas that we flagged and what type of plant they were looking for in the nursery. Then they went back to the nursery and Anna Maria helped them find exactly what they were looking for. And then as a team, they put them on a trolley, bring them back over to the site where they took the picture, and then they would place them there, and then somebody behind them, like Stuart or Bob, would come by and place them on 12 inches on center. And then the planting crew is now coming back through and
we got the
planting
drills
them
going
with the drills.
So it's we're moving ahead. So we'll update you on the drilling and planting process. So thanks a lot. We'll talk soon. Thanks, Austin.
Take care.